Hello, everybody. This is Kishore Shah, Managing Trustee of GDP Foundation, and welcome to our newly launched social media platform. I take this opportunity to share with all of you the interesting journey of how GDP Foundation was formed because precisely in few days from now, on 19 July, our foundation completes its first anniversary. Let me take you a little more in the past. I was born and brought up in a place called Chembur in Bombay, and I had an opportunity to frequently visit one of the premier institutes in the world, Tata Institute of Social Sciences. And later, when I completed my electrical engineering from SPC Mumbai, I got a campus placement in Wipro Lighting. And I also got a golden opportunity to work at arm's length with none other than Mr. Azim Premji. So maybe these two things somewhere in the subconscious were like a lighthouse, like a compass, and then the things unfolded in a very interesting way. 2000, I launched my own consulting firm called Ideas Unlimited, and we moved to Goa. And in the 2 years that I was scouting for good projects in Goa, I realized something bit unusual. CSR in Goa was not formal, and it was not just restricted to large industries who have to do CSR because of the compliance with the law. And in Goa, I saw CSR was done in a more philanthropic way, but it was very constructive, but there was no documentation. And it was also largely done by individuals and small scale and medium scale industries. So we wanted to capture this interesting model. And for the first time in the history of Goa, Ideas Unlimited launched Goa CSR Awards. And we soon got a very strong partner, Green Triangle Society. We were very fortunate that then the Chief Secretary of Goa State, Shri Sanjay Srivastav, agreed to head the jury because he was also equally excited to create a strong institutionalization of CSR. There were two, three things which my firm added as a value system. The first was that the entire research, groundwork, evaluation, physical audits will be done by management students because that time CSR was not a very formally introduced subject in management studies. And having worked in as a consultant for Tata Motors for 15, 16 years, opportunity to interact with some of the top leaders of Tata Group and Mr. Azim Premji, there was somewhere a calling that it is important for management students to get sensitized into CSR. So we chose one management institute every year and they did all the groundwork. And we created rolling trophies and awards for small scale, medium scale, large industries and also for individuals who by themselves were as good as institutes. Goa CSR Award got overwhelming success. And as we were progressing on Goa CSR Award, we soon realized that there were 36 brilliant art forms of Goa which needed equal attention, the art forms and the artist. So we ventured into our second initiative called Hope, Habitat of Passionate Entrepreneurs. And that was a year when Goa's first mall came into existence called Kakulo Mall. And we were very fortunate that Manoj Kakulo, the chief of Kakulo Group, instantaneously agreed to offer the atrium space of Kakulo Mall, which is a premium space on a weekend, to display the different art forms and also present the artists to different stakeholders. We were proud that in the journey of 2 to 3 years, we rehabilitated more than a dozen of artists. But as these things were going on, I soon realized that this is still not a complete solution. It is somewhere a piecemeal approach. And we wanted a holistic, integrated solution for the entire community. And that's where the entire thought of creating a entity out of this initiative somewhere got seeded. And I was on lookout for extremely professional trustees who have an impeccable track record, not only of their professional expertise, integrity, commitment. And I was fortunate, as if it was a divine intervention, that I could locate three such trustees who are now spearheading the entire GDP Foundation: Mr. Amay Salatri, Mr. Sandesh Prabhu Khanolkar, and Mr. Parag Beluskar. But we also wanted the trust to be powered, and we were again fortunate to have three very interesting, dedicated domain expert partners: Goa Bailen, Always Creative, who are experts into strategic media consultancy, led by Prasad Deshpande, and Sangam, Demerge Systems IoT experts, led by Monish Godekar, and internship stations led by Rohit, Rahul, and Shubham. So, in a short span of time, an entire team was in place, and then the rest was a story. Within a short span, we built three verticals called Speed, CSR Incubator, and HopeCut. And at absolutely low cost capital investment, we created 5 social startups. We offered value added courses for undergraduate students in palliative care. We got a strategy tie up invite from Goa University for Swachh Bharat student internship. We started contributing to build entrepreneurship cell for Divyangs. And in March, when the lockdown was announced, the trustees and partners came together and decided to support in reviving the economy and also supporting the medical fraternity. We initiated a contest cum initiative called Parivartan Corona, which again got an overwhelming response. I sincerely invite you to be a part of this mission. Please like, share, contribute to our social media, and let's together rebuild the world.